Hey guys, I want to talk to you about these neon LED silicone strips here. I bought these because I wanted to make a neon sign for one of the local businesses. I know the owner and they wanted me to do something cool for them. So did a lot of research on what I could do. Found lots and lots of different types of LED neon strips. And I ended up buying these ones. Let me turn this off so I can show you why. So I bought these ones because one of the main reasons, if you can see, if you've looked at any other LED neon strips, rope lights type things, you know that they have designated cut points. You can see the black lines, those are cut points. The majority of the other ones that I've seen, they're in like 1 inch increments. So, I mean, that's pretty far apart for your neons for several reasons. One, it means you have fewer lights, which means it's not as bright. And two, it means you have less cut points, so you might not be able to be as precise as you would like to. So instead of cutting a line here, you have to go a whole inch out. So you have to kind of make more judgment calls on where your cut points should be and how you're going to handle those. This gives you a lot more flexibility and versatility there. So I really like that. When I looked at some of the other ones, I just noticed, because when you have the more LED spacings in the strip, you tend to get little like kind of dark spots in them, and it doesn't have that really bright, fresh, crisp look. When I looked at these and found them, it looked like they did, and I'm super happy that it actually was as good as I thought they would be, because when I plug them in, you don't get those dark spots. It doesn't look like there's flickering. It looks like a legit neon light, a neon sign. So I'm going to turn it on just again real quick so you can see it. I have it on the dimmer, so I'll turn it up. There you go. So that's all the way bright, and even out of the ends, right, there's not lights. I mean, it's just super bright. So at the end of it, I know I'm going to have a really cool, bright sign that is going to get everybody's attention, and they're going to love it. So if you're looking for probably what I would call the best neon strips on the market right now, I would go with these ones.